Designed for checking fluorescence protein expression and routine fluorescence imaging, the cost-effective DP23M Monochrome microscope camera combines high-quality images with time-saving features. The camera's sensitivity and 6.4 megapixel resolution enable you to zoom deep into your sample and capture bright fluorescence images for documentation. Even dim samples with weak fluorescence signals can be imaged thanks to the camera's high signal-to-noise ratio, hot pixel calibration, long exposure times, and 2x binning mode. With a broad 400 nanometer to 1000 nanometer spectral range, you can use popular near-infrared dyes. Navigating around your samples is fast and efficient thanks to a frame rate up to 60 frames per second and smart features like Fast Live and Olympus Smart Image Averaging for smoother live images. Focusing is also simple thanks to the focus peaking feature, which helps you decide and adjust focus quickly and easily. Take full advantage of the camera's features by combining it with an Olympus CKX53 microscope and CellSyn software for a cost-effective, easy-to-use solution for a range of cell culture applications, including cell sampling and handling, image capture, and fluorescence observation. And for routine fluorescence applications, combine the DP23M camera with an Olympus iX73 inverted microscope. Setting up the camera is easy. The simple plug-and-play design and seamless integration with CellSyn software makes your workflow from image acquisition to processing and reporting easy for the entire lab. Thanks for watching. For more information about the DP23M camera, visit olympus-lifescience.com.